Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, you're going to learn how to model this part in NX. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any tutorial video. And leave a like on this video if it helps you out. Now let's get into it. So these are the dimensions we'll use to model our parts. So back in the NX window, click on New and click on Model. And make sure the unit is set to millimeters. Now specify a name for the part and a folder to save the file and click OK. In our modeling environment, the first thing we'll do is to click on Sketch and OK. Now back to our dimensions. So we'll first model this curve shape over here. We'll do that by using this face and this dimension. So we get this shape over here and draw a circle and we sweep across it. And this horizontal line has a dimension of 150 millimeters. This curve has a radius of 260. And this vertical line has a dimension of 150 millimeters. So that's what we are going to create first. So select Profile, select the line, and create the shape. Select the existing point. Now select Arc. Draw this arc. And then a vertical line. And press Escape. Now we'll pan it. And then we dimension our sketch. Now I want to zoom out. So View, and then we zoom out 0.3. Now we'll make sure that this point and this center of this arc are horizontally aligned, and our sketch is okay now. So we click on Finish Sketch, and then we'll draw a circle with this diameter 290. So sketch again, and then select this YZ plane, click OK. Select the circle tool, circle by center and diameter, and come to this origin existing point and draw a circle of radius 290 millimeters and press Escape. I select Finish Sketch and come to Surfaces, Swept, and select Curve. The curve will be the circle, and the guide will be this curvy line here, and click on OK. Now we'll zoom out 0.3. Okay, I'll go down to 0.2. This is exactly what we want. The next thing we'll do is to cut inside and make this shape hollow. And we'll use the feature shell. And with the shell feature, all we need to do is to get the distance from this side to this side, and then we shell with that distance. So to get the distance from here to here, we use the calculation 290 minus 210, which will give us 80, and that will be the distance of this and this. So to get the distance of this, we divide the 80 by 2, we get 40. So we shell by 40 millimeters. So select the shell feature, and the thickness is 40, and the phases should be this and this phase, and click on OK. Now our block is hollow. Next, we'll create these square plates. So our square plate has a dimension of 360 by 360. So we select extrude and come here and select sketch section. So you select this and click OK. Use the rectangle tool from center. We come to the center here, and the dimension to be 360 by 360, and press enter and escape. I'll use the circle tool to cut inside to this point and click on it and press escape. Click on finish sketch, and you reverse the direction to go inside, and the extrusion distance should be 50 millimeters, which is already here, and we unite with this body and click OK. Next, we'll create our holes. So the holes, so we first get the correct position of the holes before we specify how the hole should be. So the distance from here to here should be 360 minus 260, which will be 100, and that will give you the distance of this and this combined. To get the distance from here to here, divide 100 by 2, that will be 50. So the hole should be 50 millimeters from the left, 50 millimeters also from the bottom. So select the hole feature and specify point. Select any point here. And redimension it 50 and again 50, and press escape. Now click on finish sketch, and you specify the hole. From the dimensions here, we can see the hole is counterbore, and the counterbore dimension is 60 millimeters. The hole's dimension is 30, and the counterbore depth is 10. So that's what we specify over here. Make sure the form is counterbore. The counterbore diameter should be 60, counterbore depth 10 millimeters, and the hole diameter itself should be 30. And the depth of the hole should be 50 to the last edge, and click OK. Next, we'll pattern the hole so that we can get the hole on this side, and this side also. So click on pattern features and select feature. We select our hole and the direction 1. We specify the vector, select this line and reverse the direction. And the distance between the two holes should be 260 millimeters for both the horizontal and the vertical distances. So 260 millimeters is specified over here. We add a second direction. This vector here should be this line, the same 260 millimeters pitch distance, and press OK. So you have a hole over here, patterned perfectly. So do the same thing on this side also. You select extrude and sketch, and click on this face here and press OK. So you draw a rectangle or a square 360 by 360. Press escape. Draw a circle to cut inside and finish. Now reverse the direction to go inside, and the extrusion distance should still be 50, and we unite with this body and press OK. We'll create the hole the same way we created the first hole. So select the hole feature and specify a point here. So the distance should be 50, and again 50. Press close. I click on finish. Make sure the hole is countable 60 millimeters, 10 millimeters depth, and a 30 millimeter diameter, and a hole depth of 50 millimeters, and press OK. You again pattern the hole. Select feature, we select the hole, and we specify this vector. The first direction should be this. Reverse the direction. Second direction. So the second direction should be this. Reverse the direction also, and make sure the distance is 260 millimeters each, and click on OK. So we have our holes done. Next thing we'll do is to smoothen these edges, and a fillet radius of 20 millimeters. So we use the edge blend feature. So select the edge blend. The radius is 20 millimeters. Select these edges. And click OK. Now we fit. And this is what we have over here. Next, we add the chamfers 10 millimeters. And also the chamfer over here should also have a radius of 10 millimeters. So select chamfer, a radius of 10 millimeters, and you select the edges to chamfer. And click OK. And the last thing we'll do is to hide our sketches. So right click, hide, and click on the coordinate system and hide. And finally, go to view and true shading. And in the global materials, you can select the material, but I'll go with this. And this is our final design. I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a like on this video. See you in the next tutorial.